So we're going to try and do a drawing of one side panel, one front panel, and and an exploded view of them. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hide everything I don't want and just show you that panel. Then I'm going to go up here. We've already uploaded our template, so we're going to go new drawing from design. Then we're going to choose our template. Sometimes the templates don't show up straight away, but that's it. We're going to click OK, and hopefully it's only the side panel that comes in. It might be the whole design. I haven't had a look at this. So the first thing I want to do is I want to put like a front view in here. If the front view looks like it's not a front view, we might have to go to right. So the right looks like the right view. And then from that, the scale at the moment is 1 to 10, and that looks like it's going to fill the page nicely. So I'm going to go up to project view. I'm going to project a top view on top and a side view on the side, and then a isometric view, which is a 3D view there. Right click and click OK. This one here can be double clicked and made shaded. Leave the other ones line work. You can actually double click these ones and do a hidden lines too. So if you've got the dowel holes in there, it will show that. And it also shows where the groove is, where we're going to kind of put everything together. So this is going to be an awesome tool when we're in the workshop, because we will have all our measurements on it. We could probably go a little bit larger on the sheet. So if we drop that 1 to 10 to maybe 1 to 8, which is a bit of an odd size, but that kind of fills the sheet a little bit more. The last thing we want to do with this is press D for dimension and put some dimensions on here. This rail here is really important because we're going to do a cut, and we're going to make sure that that's a size, because we'll need the radial arm saw set to a stop. And we're going to do 4 of them. We're going to do 4 uprights the same, because we've got 2 on each panel and 2 panels. We can, if you want to get a little bit more kind of detailed, you can put in detailed views. So this one here, and we can draw a circle over that and place a larger view of that end. So even if we went to 1 to 2, so half the real scale, that's a detailed view of what's going on in here, and we can put some measurements on here. So this is our dowel hole. It's 20 mil deep. We can detail up our rebate. So it's 19 by 10. We can put the thickness of the material on the end of this one, but we want enough dimensions to tell us the kind of where we're going to cut everything for this one. We might want to also put another detailed view of this, because that shows us a few more things about the groove size and how the whoops, I'll just chuck a detail here, wrong button. You can explore cutaway views and stuff like that if you want to. But you probably, as long as you get enough information on this that we can read it when we're in the workshop, that'll be good. So if you remember putting these on before, it's 11 from the end, 20 between, and then the size of the material is 42. Take a bit of care placing the dimensions so it looks good. The other thing is these labels can be brought down close to the detailed views. So I've probably missed a couple of things, but just double check that all the dimensions are kind of in the right spot. This scale is wrong here, so I think we can double click that and come in and change these two, but it should automatically know what scale the drawing is in, but the majority was 1 to 8. All our other information gets imported into it. So we want one of these for the side panel and the end panel. Before you get to this, you need to make sure you change the size of your project to be the size that you actually want to build it.